So here I have a video. Let me show you. After going to properties, as you can see, the frame rate is 25 FPS, and let's now play it and see how it looks. As you can see, it's very jittering, I don't know the word, low in frame rate. But we are gonna increase the frame rate and make it even more smooth. How you gonna do it? You have to first go to file, then go to project settings. Here, as you can see, the resolution is 720 as its original resolution is 720. So that's why it's automatically set to this resolution. But after going down, has the frame rate, you should have to put it at 60 FPS. It will default set to 25 FPS, but you have to change it. You have to add it as 60 FPS. Go ahead and click on OK. After that, you have to drop the clip on the timeline. After dropping it, double click it, just go to speed, and here you will see frame sampling. What it does is, as you can see, after clicking on this, it will interpolate your frames. Yep, if you have like 25 frames but you wanna make it 60, so what it does is it will make and generate AI frames between them, so that it will make 25 FPS to 60 FPS. So let's practically do it and see how it looks. By clicking frame sampling, you have to click optical flow. You can also do frame blending, but it will faster but in lower quality, so you don't have to do it. Then you have to go to optical flow. Process will be slower, but the result will be higher in quality. So just go ahead and click on OK. And here, as you can see, you have to render the clip first, but I have already rendered it. So let's play and watch before and after. So I hope you like the process, and I hope you understand every single thing what I have shown in this video. For supporting us, you can subscribe, like, and share this video to your family members, not family members, but to your editor buddies and guys, whatever you have, whoever you have, you can send to them. Subscribe and comment what next tutorial you want. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.